Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Asim Jaffri,
Author of.
Death by Murder and Other Short Stories.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Yeah, it's always been fantastic coming to the Pragati Maidan and the World Book Fair. And this is my second book with Notion Press.
Right.
And I've been a happy author of Notion Press, and it's absolutely fantastic being here.
What is some of the most memorable feedback you've gotten?
Memorable feedback, I would say that, readers say that, when they're reading the stories, they have the entire picture running in their minds, and that is, I think, the success of the story. If it is able to create the right kind of images in your mind and people are able to visualize. Some people say that it's difficult to keep the book down once you pick it. Wow. And I think, a lot of, encouraging feedback. I cannot just single out one.
So sir, if you had to give some advice to our community of budding writers, what would that be?
I think reading is becoming rarer these days because of the social media and all. Although social media, this interview is obviously going to be on social media. So I think to make people, read more, you have to write quality stuff. Right. And for that, I think a lot of time has to be invested in writing a book. Right. A lot of creativity. So don't, rush to finish off the book. In a limited time. Take your time, do multiple revisions, delete your stories, rewrite them and all, until and unless you find that the story is actually gripping. And take feedback before you submit those stories, so that you can have a really good book on the shelf, and people do take it off the shelf very fast.
That's wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that advice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for visiting us. Thank you.